Namaskar everyone. Now today we will start with the case number 5th and case number 6th of calculation of sacrificing and new ratio. In the previous videos, we already discussed 4 cases of calculation of sacrifice and new ratio. This case number 5th is totally different from the previous 4 cases. So let me start with the case number 5th. A and B are partners in the firm, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So the profit of A and B is 3:2. C is admitted for 1/5 share in the profit of the firms. So C share is 1/5. Calculate new ratio and sacrifice ratio. Now, two information is given below. We'll take each the information separately. First I am taking that C is get wholly from A, means C is getting 1/5 shares wholly from A. So it means only the partner A is sacrificing. And in case D, C gets wholly from B. It means only partner B is sacrificing, not A. So how you will calculate sacrifice and new ratio? Case number C. If C get his share wholly from A, it means only A is sacrificing. So whatever the C is getting 1/5 and which is given wholly by A. So A sacrifice is 1/5 because C is getting wholly from A. So whatever C is getting, it is the sacrifice of A. So C is getting 1/5 and that will be the sacrifice of A. That is 1/5. So only one partner is sacrificing A. So A sacrifices 1/5. Now you have to calculate the new ratio. And you have to put the formula of new ratio, that is old minus sacrifice. And that formula is applicable only in case of A. Why? Because there is a old ratio of A and sacrifice of A only. So A old ratio is 3/5 and A is sacrificing 1/5. So A new share is 2/5. But B is not sacrificing. So B old share will be the same one, that is 2/5. And C share, C is getting 1/5, that will return directly. So if we check here, the denomination of all the 3 partners is same. So there is no need to make denomination equal. You just eliminate the denomination part and write the new ratio, that is 2:2:1. In case D, I told you that C get his share wholly from B. So whatever C is getting, this is the sacrificing ratio of B only. So whatever C gets here 1/5 from B. So B sacrifices 1/5. Now if you calculate new ratio in case number D, so A share will be same, that is old minus sacrifice. So A is not sacrificing. So A old will be the same A new share. B case, in this one you have to put the formula of old minus sacrifice because B old share is there and only B is sacrificing. So B old share is 2/5 and B is sacrificing 1/5. So B new share is 1/5. And at the last, separately I shown here that C share is already 1/5. So if you see here, the denomination of all the 3 partners is same, that is 3/5, 1/5 and 1/5. So just eliminate 5 and you have to mention the new ratio 3:1:1. So this is the case number 5th in which only one partner is sacrificing, only A or maybe only B. Now move to the case number 6th. Now this is a very simple case here, case number 6. ABC are partner in the ratio of 5:3. They admitted D as a new partner. The new ratio of the partners are 3:2:3. Calculate the sacrifice ratio. So in this case, there is no need to calculate new ratio. Why? Because new ratio after the admission of D is already given in the question. So what you have to do here? You have to calculate only the sacrifice ratio. And the formula of sacrificing ratio is old minus new. And in the previous videos, I told you that sacrificing is always made by the old partners. So sacrifice will be calculated only for A, B and C. So in case of A, B and C, first mention their old ratio, that is 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10, and then deduct the new ratio, 3/10, 2/10 and 2/10. So from this formula you see here that only A and B is sacrificing. The sacrificing made by C is equals to 0, means no sacrifice by C. So only A and B is sacrificing, and that is given to the partner D. So I am repeating it once again, that in this case old and new ratio both are given. So no need to calculate new ratio, just calculate sacrifice ratio by putting the simple formula old ratio minus new ratio. So this is all about all the 6 cases related to sacrificing and new ratio. Thank you so much.